Want to stream your favorite Steam games directly to your TV? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get started. First, make sure your PC with Steam installed and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or use an HDMI cable for a direct connection. On your PC, launch Steam and go to the big picture mode. For easier navigation on a TV screen. If your TV supports Steam Link, download the Steam Link app from your TV's App Store, then launch it. Step 4. On your TV, open the Steam Link app and it will show you a code. Enter the code into your PC's Steam client to pair them. Now connect your controller to either your PC or directly to your TV for smooth gameplay. From the Steam Link menu, select the game you want to play. It will stream directly from your PC to your TV in real time. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.